Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to securely move your assets is crucial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Ethereum from Bitrue to your Arculus wallet. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Bitrue account set up and verified. It's 2025, so expect enhanced security features like biometric logins. Head to the Bitrue website or app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section to view your Ethereum balance. Next, find the Withdraw option, usually under a drop-down menu or a dedicated tab. Select Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now, this is important. Double-check that you're entering the correct Arculus wallet address. In 2025, Arculus wallets might have upgraded QR code scanning for easier transfers, so use that if available to avoid any typos. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Bitrue could have dynamic fees based on blockchain congestion, so plan accordingly. Before confirming, you'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication, 2FA, process. This could involve an email code, app notification, or even facial recognition. Always enable 2FA for extra security. Once verified, hit the confirm button and watch for a transaction confirmation on the blockchain. After initiation, the withdrawal might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on Ethereum network traffic. Keep your Arculus wallet open to receive the funds. Pro tip: in 2025, use blockchain explorers like Etherscan to track your transaction in real time. And there you have it. Your Ethereum is now safely in your Arculus wallet. Always prioritize security in crypto. Never share your private keys and stay updated on any platform changes. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.